they're sour.
Are they really?
You're not supposed to eat the organ grape leaves.
I know, you're doing it.
Not you. You're supposed to eat the berries.
Oh, look, it's coming back.
Really?
It's coming back.
It's going to come back again.
Mom, it's coming back.
Oh, look at that. You just missed it. That's all the babies we could find there.
Maybe it had another one.
Yeah.
Oh, this bell is cooking.
It's packing its suitcases.
Maybe it's just trying to get that nest, maybe.
No, I think she's looking for another baby.
It is. Maybe we should look that
Just hold still and be quiet. She'll look on the ground.
Oh my god.
Nope, she looks like she was just double checking.
Maybe we should look on the ground.